Welcome to Physics Online Class plus one. Topic: Motion of Satellite. Gravitational force of attraction between the satellites and Earth will provide the necessary centripetal force to the satellite to move around the Earth in the circular orbit. So gravitational force is the product of mass of Earth and mass of satellite and distance square. So Gm small m r plus x the whole square is equal to centripetal force mv square upon r plus x. R is the radius and x is the distance of the satellite from the surface of the Earth. So we can find the velocity v is equal to gm upon r plus x the under root. We find that orbital velocity of the satellite is independent of the mass of the satellite but depend upon the radius of the orbit. Radius of the orbit is r plus x, where r is the radius of Earth and x is the distance and mass of the planet capital M, about which it revolves. The acceleration due to gravity of the surface of the Earth is given by g is the gravity is equal to gm upon r square. So cross multiply gm is equal to gr square. So putting the value of gm in equation of velocity. So v is equal to gr square plus r plus x the under root. Acceleration due to gravity ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ g gravitational constant ਹੈ, m mass of earth ਅਤੇ r radius of earth.
One,
Gravitational force of attraction
directed
between
towards
the
the
satellites
center.
and
This
Earth
centripetal force
will
is
provide the
provided
necessary
by the
centripetal
gravitational
force
force,
to the satellite
which
to
is
move around the
F
Earth in the
gravitation
circular orbit.
equals to
So gravitational force is the
GMME
product of mass
by
of Earth and
RE
mass of
plus
satellite and
H
distance
square,
square. So
equation 2,
Gm small
where
m r
ME
plus
is the
x the
mass
whole
of the
square is
Earth,
equal to centripetal force mv
equating
square upon r
RHS
plus
of
x.
equation
R is the
1
radius and
and
x
2,
is the
we get
distance of
V
the
square
satellite from the
equals to
surface of the Earth.
GME by
So
RE
we can
plus
find the
H,
velocity v is
equation
equal to
3.
gm upon r
Thus,
plus x the
V
under root.
decreases as
We
H
find that
increases.
orbital velocity
From
of the
equation
satellite
3,
is
the
independent of
speed
the mass of the
V
satellite
for H
but depend
equals to
upon the
0
radius of the
is
orbit.
V square
Radius of the orbit
equals
is
to
r plus x,
GME
where r is the
by
radius of
RE,
Earth and x is the
equation
distance
4,
and
where
mass of
we
the
have
planet
used the
capital M,
relation
about
G
which
equals to
it
GM
revolves.
by
The
RE square.
acceleration due to gravity of the
In every
surface of
orbit,
the Earth
the
is given
satellite
by
traverses a
g
distance
is the
2
gravity
pi
is equal to
into
gm
RE
upon r
plus
square.
H with
So
speed
cross
V.
multiply gm is equal
Its
to
time
g r
period t,
square. So putting
therefore,
the value
is
of
t
gm
equals
in
to
equation
2 pi
of
into
velocity. So
Re
v is
plus
equal to
H
g r
by V
square plus r
equals to
plus x
2
the
pi
under root.
into Re
Acceleration
plus
due to
H
gravity
power 3
ਜਿਹੜੀ
by
ਹੈਗੀ ਆ
2
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
by
g
square root
gravitational
of
constant ਹੈ,
GME.
m mass of
Equation
earth
5.
ਅਤੇ
On
r radius
substitution
of
of
earth.
value of V from equation 3,
Gravitational
squaring
force
both
of
sides of
attraction
equation
between the
5,
satellites and
we
earth
get T square
will provide the
equals to
necessary centripetal
K
force to the
into
satellite to
Re
move
plus
around the
H
earth in
whole
the
cube,
circular orbit.
where
So
K
gravitational force is
equals
the
to
product of mass
4
of
pi
earth and
square
mass of
by
satellite and
GME,
distance
equation
square.
6,
So gm
which is
small
Kepler's
m
law
r
of
plus
periods
x the whole
as
square is
applied to
equal to
motion of
centripetal force
satellites
mv
around
square
the
upon
Earth.
r plus x.
For a
R is the
satellite
radius and
very
x is
close
the
to the
distance
surface of
of the
Earth,
satellite
H
from the
can be
surface of
neglected
the
in
earth.
comparison to
So we can
RE
find
in
the
equation
velocity
6.
v is equal to
Hence,
gm upon
for
r
such
plus x
satellites,
the under root.
T is
We find that
T naught,
orbital velocity
where
of the
T naught
satellite is
equals
independent
to
of the
2
mass of the
pi
satellite
square root
but
of
depend upon
RE
the
by
radius of
G,
the orbit.
equation 7.
Radius of the orbit is
If
r
we
plus x,
substitute the
where r is
numerical
the radius of
values,
earth and x is
G
the
equals
distance
to
and mass of
9.8
the
meter per
planet
second
capital M,
square and
about which
RE
it
equals
revolves.
to
The acceleration
6,400
due to
kilometers,
gravity of the
we
surface
get,
of the earth
which
is
is
given by
approximately 80.
g is the gravity is equal to
using the
gm upon
equation
r
number 1
square.
and 2 are
So
used
cross
to
multiply
find the
gm is
orbital
equal to
velocity
g
of the
r square.
satellite
So putting the value of
orbiting at the
gm
height x
in
from the
equation
surface of Earth.
of velocity.
It may be
So v
pointed
is
out
equal to
that
g r square
orbit
plus
of the
r
satellite
plus x
may
the
not be
under
circular
root.
in shape.
Acceleration due to
However, the
gravity
orbit
ਜਿਹੜੀ
are
ਹੈਗੀ ਆ
assumed to be
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
circular
g
on
gravitational
only
constant ਹੈ
make
m
a
mass of
check of
earth
the simplicity.
ਅਤੇ r
So,
radius of
case
earth.
1 when the satellite is orbiting very close to the surface of Earth.
Gravitational force
In
of
such case,
attraction
the
between the
distance
satellite
from the
and
satellite
Earth
from the surface of X
will
we put in
provide
the
the
value of
necessary
X is equal to
centripetal
0.
force to the
So in the
satellite to
equation
move
of velocity,
around
when we
the
put the value
Earth
of
in the
X
circular
is
orbit.
equal to 0,
So
we get
gravitational
V
force
is
is the
equal to
product of
gm
mass
upon
of
r the
Earth and
under root.
mass of satellite and distance
So this
square.
value
So
put in
gm
V is equal
small
to
m
gr.
r plus
When we
x the whole
substitute the
square is
value
equal
of
to
G
centripetal
acceleration
force
due to
mv
gravity
square upon r plus x.
9.8 meter per
R
second
is the
square
radius and
radius
x
of
is
the
the
Earth
distance of the
6.4
satellite
guna
from
10
the
raised to power
surface
6
of the
meter. In this
Earth.
equation, then we can find
So we can
the
find the
satellite
velocity v
required velocity.
is equal
So
to
this
gm
calculation,
upon
this
r plus
velocity is
x
equal
the
to
under root.
about
We
7.92
find that
kilometer per
orbital
second half
velocity of the satellite
to
is
the revolve
independent of
in
the
the
mass of the
orbit
satellite,
just
but
near to
depend
the
upon the radius of
Earth
the
of.
orbit.
ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆ
Radius of the orbit is r plus
ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
x, where r is the radius
g
of
ਦੀ
Earth
ਵੈਲਿਊ
and
ਤੇ
x
r
is
ਦੀ
the
ਵੈਲਿਊ ਪੁੱਟ
distance
ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਹ
and
ਜੇਕਰ
mass
ਸਾਡਾ
of the
ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ
planet capital M
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਧਰਤੀ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ
about
ਹੀ
which
ਲੱਗੂਗਾ
it
ਉਸ
revolve.
ਵੇਲੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ
The
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਗੀ ਆ
acceleration due to gravity of the surface
7.92
of the Earth
ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ
is
ਪਰ
given by
ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਦੀ ਸਪੀਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
g
ਉਹ ਮੂਵ
is the
ਕਰੂਗਾ ਭਾਵ
gravity is
1
equal to
ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
gm upon r
ਲਗਭਗ
square.
8 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ
So
ਦੀ
cross
ਸਪੀਡ
multiply
ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
gm is equal to gr square. So putting the value of
to
gm
find the
in
time
equation
period of satellite
of velocity.
ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ ਦਾ
So v is equal to
ਟਾਈਮ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਕੱਢਣ
gr
ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੀ
square
ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ
plus
ਆ
r plus
ਪਹਿਲੀ
x
ਗੱਲ
the
ਟਾਈਮ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ
under root.
the time period
Acceleration
of
due to
satellite is
gravity
the time
ਜਿਹੜੀ
taken
ਹੈਗੀ
by
ਆ
to ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
go
g gravitational
once
constant
around
ਹੈ
the
m
earth
mass of earth ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ
ਅਤੇ
ਨੂੰ
r radius of
ਧਰਤੀ
earth.
ਦੁਆਲੇ ਘੁੰਮਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਲੱਗਾ ਇੱਕ orbit ਪੂਰਾ
Gravitational
ਕਰਨ
force
ਵਿੱਚ
of
ਉਹ ਉਹਦਾ
attraction
ਟਾਈਮ
between the
ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਹੁੰਦਾ
satellites
ਸੋ
and
ਟਾਈਮ
Earth
ਪੀਰੀਅਡ t ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਨੋਟ
will
ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ
provide
t
the
is equal
necessary
to
centripetal force to the
circumference of the
satellite to
orbit
move around
ਧਰਤੀ ਦੇ
the
ਦੁਆਲੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ
Earth
ਚੱਕਰ ਹੈਗਾ
in
ਉਹ
the
ਗੋਲ
circular
ਚੱਕਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
orbit.
ਹੈ ਇਸ
So
ਸਰਕਮਫਰੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਦਾ
gravitational
orbit
force is the product of
or
mass
divided by
of Earth
orbital
and mass
velocity.
of satellite and
So t
distance
is equal to
square.
2 pi
So
r
gm
upon v.
small m r
2
plus
pi
x
upon
the
r
whole
upon
square
d
is
ਵਿੱਚ
equal to
ਜਿਹੜਾ r
centripetal
ਹੈਗਾ
force
ਆ
mv
ਉਹ ਉਹਦੇ
square
orbit
upon
ਦਾ
r plus x.
distance ਹੈ
R
ਉਸ ਦੀ
is the
value ਹੋਗੀ
radius
r
and
plus
x is
x.
the distance
So putting the
of the
value
satellite
of
from the
velocity v
surface
is
of
equal
the
to gm
Earth.
upon r plus x from
So we
equation
can
number
find
1
the velocity v is
ਔਰ
equal
ਇਹਦੀ
to
ਵੈਲਿਊ
gm
ਅਸੀਂ v ਦੀ
upon
velocity
r
ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਟ
plus
ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ
x the
so
under
t
root.
is equal to 2 pi
We find that
r
orbital
plus
velocity
x
of the satellite
upon
is
gm
independent
the
of the mass of
square
the
root
satellite, but
r
depend
plus
upon
x
the radius
ਉੱਪਰ
of
ਜਾ
the
ਕੇ
orbit.
ਪਾਵਰ
Radius of the
ਇੱਕ
orbit
ਐਡ
is
ਹੋ ਗਈ
r plus x,
square
where
root
r is the
ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ
radius
ਇਸੇ
of Earth
ਪਾਵਰ 10
and
ਆ
x
ਗਈ
is the distance
so
and mass
when
of
we
the planet
putting the
capital M,
value of acceleration
about
due to
which
gravity
it
g is equal
revolves.
to gm
The
upon r square
acceleration due
so
to gravity
this
of the
equation
surface of
cross
the Earth
multiply
is given
we
by
get gm is equal to
g
gr
is
square
the gravity
because we
is equal to
find
gm
when
upon
we
r square.
need to
So cross
value gm
multiply gm is
so
equal
gm
to
ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ
gr
ਆਪਾਂ
square.
ਇਸ
So
ਟਾਈਮ
putting the value
ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ
of
ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ
gm in
ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ
equation
ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆਈ ਹੈ t
of
is equal
velocity.
to
So v
2
is
pi
equal to
r
gr
r plus
square
x ਦੀ
plus
ਪਾਵਰ
r
10
plus
upon g ਦਾ
x the
under root
under root. If we
acceleration
suppose
due to
the
gravity
Earth is
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ
spherical
ਉਹਦੇ
and
ਵਿੱਚ
its
density
g
gravitational
rho and
constant
mass
ਹੈ
of the
m
earth
mass
is
of
m,
earth then
ਅਤੇ
density
r
is equal to
radius
mass
of
per
earth.
unit volume so we can find the value of mass of earth
Gravitational force
m
of
so m
attraction
is equal
between
to
the
volume
satellites
into
and
density
Earth
so earth is a
will
spherical
provide the necessary
sphere
centripetal
so its
force
volume
to
4
the
बटा 10
satellite to
pi r
move
ਦੀ ਘਾਤ
around
3
the Earth
and
in the
multiply
circular
density
orbit.
density rho
So
so
gravitational
putting the
force is the
value of
product of
in
mass
this
of
above
Earth and
equation
mass of satellite and distance
so t is
square.
equal to 2
So
pi
gm
r plus x
small
to
m
power
r
10
plus x the
divided
whole
by
square is equal to
g
centripetal
gravitational
force
constant
mv
into
square upon r
mass
plus
mass
x.
gm
R is the radius
4
and
बटा
x
10
is the
pi r
distance
ਦੀ ਘਾਤ
of
10
the satellite
into
from the
rho
surface of the Earth.
so when
So
the
we can
putting the
find the
value of
velocity v
equation 1
is equal to
and
gm
putting this
upon
value
r
of
plus x
velocity
the
v
under
in
root.
this question number
5.
We find
So
that
time period
orbital velocity of
efficiency
the
is equal to
satellite is
2 pi
independent of the
r
mass of the
plus
satellite,
x
but
divided by
depend upon
gm
the
r
radius of
plus
the
x
orbit.
the under root.
Radius of the
So
orbit
t
is
is equal
r
to
plus
2 pi
x, where r is
r
the
plus
radius of
x to
Earth
the
and
power
x is
10
the
under
distance
root divided by
and
gm.
mass of the
So
planet capital
acceleration due to
M,
gravity
about which
gm is equal
it
to
revolves.
gr square.
The
So gm the
acceleration due to
value
gravity of the
put in this
surface of the
equation.
Earth is
So
given
t
by
is equal to 2 pi upon
g
r.
is the
R plus
gravity is
x to
equal
the
to
power 10
gm
upon
upon
g
r square.
the under root.
So
If
cross multiply gm is equal to g r
Earth
square.
supposed to
So
be a
putting the
sphere
value of
and
gm
mean
in
density rho,
equation
then
of
mass of
velocity.
the Earth
So
is
v
given
is
by
equal to g r
mass is
square
equal to
plus
volume
r
into
plus
density.
x
So
the
density is equal
under
to
root.
4 बटा 10 pi
Acceleration due to
r ਦੀ
gravity
ਘਾਤ 3 ਜਿਹੜੀ
into
ਹੈਗੀ
rho.
ਆ ਉਹਦੇ
So
ਵਿੱਚ
putting
g
the
gravitational
value
constant
of
ਹੈ
m
m
mass
of earth
ਅਤੇ
is equation
r
number
radius
6.
of earth. So t is equal to 2 pi r plus x to the power
Gravitational
10
force
divided by
of
g
attraction between the
into
satellites and
4 by
Earth
3 pi r the घात
will
10
provide
into
necessary
rho, where
centripetal
rho is the
force to
density,
the satellite
g
to
is the
move around
gravitational
the
constant, r is
Earth
the
in the
radius of
circular
Earth,
orbit.
and x is the
So
height of
gravitational
the
force is the
satellite
product of
from the
mass
surface
of
of
Earth
Earth.
and mass of satellite
So,
and
by
distance
calculating
square.
the
So
value of t
gm
is equal to
small m r
3
plus
pi
x the whole square
r
is equal
plus
to
x to the
centripetal
power
force
10
mv square
g
upon r plus
r2
x.
into
R is the
rho.
radius and x is the distance of the satellite from the surface of the Earth. Now, by
So we
using
can find the
equation 6,
velocity v
7
is
and
equal to
8
gm upon
gives
r
the
plus x
time
the
period
under
of the
root.
satellite
We find
revolving
that orbital
at a
velocity of
height
the
x
satellite is
above the
independent of
surface
the
of
mass of
Earth.
the satellite,
When the
but
satellite
depend upon the
revolves very
radius of the
close to the
orbit.
surface of Earth, in
Radius
this
of the
case,
orbit is
the
r
distance
plus
of the
x, where
satellite
r is the
from the
radius of Earth
surface
and
of
x is the distance
Earth is
and
equal to
mass
0,
of the planet
and we put
capital
the
M,
value x is
about
equal to
which
0 in
it
this
revolves.
equation.
The
So
acceleration
setting
due
x
to
is equal to
gravity of
0
the
in
surface
equation
of the
number
Earth is given by
6. So
g
calculating
is the
value of t
gravity
is
is
equal to
equal to
2 pi
gm
r to
upon
the
r
power
square.
10
So
into
cross
gm
multiply
the
gm is
under
equal
root.
to g r
So
square.
when x
So
is equal
putting
to
the value
0,
of
this
gm
equation put
in
in equation number
equation
7
of
t is equal
velocity.
to 2
So
pi
v is
r
equal to
upon
g r
g
square
and
plus
the under
r
root.
plus
R
x
is the
the
radius of
under
Earth
root.
and g is the
Acceleration due
acceleration
to
due to gravity
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ
So finally
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
x is equal
g
to 0
gravitational
putting in
constant ਹੈ
equation
m
number
mass
8.
of earth
So
ਅਤੇ r
we
radius of
get
earth.
the time equation t is equal to 3 pi
Gravitational force of
g
attraction
rho
between the satellites
the
and
under
Earth
root. G is
will
gravitational
provide the
constant
necessary
and rho
centripetal
is the
force
density.
to the satellite to move around the Earth in the circular
So
orbit. By
so
substituting
gravitational force
the
is the
value of
product of
acceleration due
mass
to
of
gravity
Earth
g
and
is
mass
equal
of
to
satellite and
9.8
distance
meter per second square
So
and the radius
gm
of Earth
small m
6.4
r
10 to
plus
the power
x the
6
whole
meter
square is equal to
in equation
centripetal
number
force
thus.
mv square upon
It
r
comes
plus x.
out the time
R is the
period of
radius and
satellite
x is the
revolving
distance
around the Earth
of the satellite from the
just
surface
close
of
to
the
its
earth.
surface about
So we can find the velocity v is equal to
84.6
gm upon
ਮਿੰਟ
r plus x the
तो ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ
under
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ
root.
ਵੈਲਿਊ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਸ
We
ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ
find
ਦੇ
that
ਵਿੱਚ
orbital
ਤੇ
velocity
ਇਹ
of the
ਉਸ
satellite is
ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ ਦਾ
independent of
ਟਾਈਮ
the
ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਆ
mass of the
ਜਿਹੜਾ
satellite, but
ਧਰਤੀ ਦੇ
depend
ਸਰਫੇਸ
upon
ਦੇ
the
ਸਭ
radius
ਤੋਂ
of the
ਨੇੜੇ
orbit. Radius of the orbit is
7.94
r plus x, where r is the
ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ
radius of
ਪਰ
earth
ਸੈਕਿੰਡ
and
ਦੀ
x
ਸਪੀਡ
is the
ਨਾਲ ਮੂਵ
distance and
ਕਰੂਗਾ
mass of
ਇਹ
the
ਉਹਦੀ
planet
ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ
capital
ਹੋਗੀ
M,
ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ
about
ਦਾ
which
ਆਪਣਾ ਟਾਈਮ
it
ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਇਸ
revolves.
ਸਪੀਡ
The
ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
acceleration
ਇੱਕ
due to
ਚੱਕਰ ਪੂਰਾ
gravity of
ਕਰਨ
the
ਨੂੰ
surface of the earth is given by
84.6 ਮਿੰਟ ਲੱਗਣਗੇ
g is the gravity
ਅਗਲੀ
is
ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ
equal to gm
ਹਾਈਟ
upon
ਆਫ ਦਾ
r
ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ
square.
ਅਬਵ ਦਾ
So
ਸਰਫੇਸ ਆਫ ਦਾ
cross
ਅਰਥ
multiply gm is
ਅਗਰ
equal to
ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ
gr
ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ
square.
ਨੂੰ
So
ਧਰਤੀ ਦੇ
putting the
ਸਰਫੇਸ
value
ਤੋਂ
of
ਕੁਝ ਹਾਈਟ ਦੇ
gm
ਉੱਪਰੋਂ
in
ਪਾਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ
equation
ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਦਾ
of
ਟਾਈਮ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ ਕੀ
velocity.
ਹੋਊਗਾ
So v
ਸੋ
is equal
ਇਸ
to
ਟਾਈਮ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ
gr
ਵਿੱਚ
square plus
t ਦੀ
r
ਵੈਲਿਊ
plus x the
ਨੂੰ
under root.
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਨੰਬਰ 7 ਹੈ
Acceleration due to
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੋਨਾਂ
gravity
ਪਾਸੇ
ਜਿਹੜੀ
ਸਕੇਅਰ
ਹੈਗੀ
ਕਰਨਾ
ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
So
g
scaling the both sides the
gravitational
equation
constant
number
ਹੈ
7.
m mass of
So when
earth
we get the square
ਅਤੇ
root,
r
so
radius of
value of
earth.
left hand side t the square is equal to 4 pi the square r plus x
Gravitational force of
to the
attraction
power
between the
10
satellites
divided by
and
r
Earth
square upon g.
will provide
So
the necessary
cross
centripetal
multiply,
force to the satellite to move
we
around
get
the
t square
Earth in the
r
circular
square
orbit.
g is equal to
So
4
gravitational
pi
force is
square
the
r
product
plus
of
x to the
mass
power
of
10.
Earth and mass
So
of satellite
calculating
and distance
r plus x to the
square.
power 10 the
So
value
gm
is equal to t
small m
square
r
r
plus
square
x
g
the whole
upon
square
4
is
pi
equal to
square.
centripetal force
So
mv square upon r
तो
plus
ਆਪਾਂ
x.
r plus
R
x
is
ਦੀ
the
ਵੈਲਿਊ ਪੁੱਟ
radius
ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
and x is
so
the
x ਦੀ
distance
ਪਾਵਰ
ਲੈਫਟ ਹੈਂਡ ਸਾਈਡ
of
ਤੇ
the
r plus
satellite
x ਦੀ
from
ਪਾਵਰ
the
3 ਦੂਜੇ
surface
ਪਾਸੇ
of
ਜਾ
the
ਕੇ ਇੱਧਰ
earth.
ਕਿਊਬ ਸੀ ਉਧਰ ਕਿਊਬ ਰੂਟ ਬਣ ਗਈ।
So we can
r
find
plus
the
x
velocity
is equal
v
to t square
is equal to
r square
gm
g
upon
upon
r
4 pi
plus
r
x
square
the
to power 1
under root.
bata 10.
We
Now
find that
we find the
orbital
value of
velocity of the
distance. So
satellite
distance
is
is x.
independent
So
of the
x is
mass
equal
of
to
the
t
satellite,
square r
but
the power 2
depend upon the radius of the orbit.
gravity g upon
Radius of
4
the
pi
orbit is
square
r plus x, where r is the
1
radius
ਦੀ
of
power
Earth and
ਸਾਰੇ ਦੀ
x is
1
the
ਬਟਾ
distance,
10 ਔਰ r
and
ਦੂਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ
mass
ਜਾ
of
ਕੇ
the
ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ
planet
ਕਰਤਾ
capital
minus
M,
r.
about which
So
it
we
revolves.
know the
The
time period of the
acceleration due to
satellite
gravity
p,
of the
radius of
surface
Earth
of the
r,
Earth
and
is given
acceleration
by
due to gravity g.
g
So we
is the
calculate the
gravity
height
is
x
equal to
of the
gm
satellite
upon
above
r
the
square.
surface of Earth.
So cross
So this
multiply
equation
gm is
ਇਸ
equal to
equation ਦੇ
g
ਵਿੱਚ
r
ਅਸੀਂ
square.
ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ
So
ਸੈਟਲਾਈਟ
putting
ਦੀ
the value of
ਤੇ
gm in
ਉਹਦੀ ਹਾਈਟ
equation
ਤੋਂ ਉਹਦਾ
of
ਟਾਈਮ ਪੀਰੀਅਡ
velocity.
ਕੱਢ
So
ਸਕਦੇ
v
ਹਾਂ.
is equal to
So
g
energy
r
of the
square plus
orbiting
r plus
satellite
x the
ਉਸ
under root.
acceleration
Acceleration
due
due to gravity
orbit ਵਿੱਚ
ਜਿਹੜੀ
energy
ਹੈਗੀ
find
ਆ
out ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ g
expression
gravitational
find ਕਰਨ
constant
ਲੱਗੇ
ਹੈ,
ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ
m mass of earth.
So energy of
ਅਤੇ
the orbiting
r radius
satellite
of earth. When a satellite revolves around a planet in
Gravitational
its
force
orbit,
of
it
attraction
possesses
between
both
the
potential
satellite
energy
and Earth
due to the
will
position
provide the
against
necessary centripetal
gravitational
force
pull
to
of
the
the
satellite to
earth
move around
and
the
kinetic
Earth
energy
in the
due to
circular
the
orbit.
orbital motion.
So gravitational
ਹੁਣ
force
ਜਦੋਂ
is
ਕੋਈ
the
ਵੀ
product
ਸੈਟੇਲਾਈਟ
of mass of Earth and
ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ
mass of
ਪਲੈਨਟ ਦੇ
satellite
ਦੁਆਲੇ
and distance
ਮੂਵ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਤਾਂ
square.
ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ
So
ਪ੍ਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ
gm
એનર્ਜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ
small
ਇੱਕ
m
ਤੁਸੀਂ
r
ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ એનર્ਜੀ
plus
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ
x
ਇੱਕ
the
ਤੁਸੀਂ
whole
ਕਾਈਨੈਟਿਕ
square is
એનર્ਜੀ
equal
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ
to
ਆ
centripetal
ਜਿਹੜੀ
force
ਪੋਟੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ
m
એનર્ਜੀ
v
ਹੁੰਦੀ
square
ਆ
upon
ਉਹ
r
ਉਹਦੇ
plus x. r
ਗ੍ਰੈਵਿਟੇਸ਼ਨਲ
is the radius
ਪੁੱਲ
and
ਮਤਲਬ
x is
ਧਰਤੀ
the
ਦੇ ਸਰਫੇਸ
distance
ਤੇ ਹਾਈਟ ਕਾਰਨ
of
ਆਈ
the satellite
ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ
from the
ਕਿਨੈਟਿਕ એનર્ਜੀ ਆ
surface of the
ਉਹ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਰਬਿਟਲ
earth.
ਮੋਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੂਵ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ
So we
ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ
can
ਨਾਲ
find the
ਉਹਦੇ
velocity
ਕਰਕੇ
v is equal
So
to
the potential
gm
energy
upon
ਤੇ
r
kinetic
plus
energy
x
ਦੋ
the
ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ
under
એનર્ਜੀ
root.
ਪੋਜੈਸ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸੈਟਲਾਈਟ
We
ਕੋਲ
find that orbital
potential
velocity
energy
of the satellite is
in a
independent
orbit
of the mass
at
of the
height x
satellite,
above
but
the surface
depend
of
upon the
Earth is
radius
given
of
by
the orbit.
g
Radius
is
of the
equal to
orbit is r plus
negative
x,
sign
where r is
g
the radius of Earth and
capital
x
M
is the
small m
distance
r for
and
plus
mass
x
of the planet capital
ਇੱਥੇ
M,
u
about
energy
which
ਹੈ
it
g
revolves.
gravitational
The
constant है m
acceleration
mass
due
of
to
earth है
gravity
m
of the
small
surface
m
of
mass
the
of
Earth
satellite
is
given by
r radius of Earth
g
the x
is
the gravity
height
is equal to
of
gm
satellite
upon r square.
since the
So
satellite
cross
revolve
multiply
in
gm
its
is equal
orbit
to g
around the
r
planet
square. So putting the
under the
value of
effect of
gm
gravitational pull
in
we
equation
get
of velocity.
equations
So v is equal
centripetal
to
force
g
and
r
is equal to
square plus
gravitational
r
force.
plus
So
x
centripetal
the
force and v
under
square
root.
upon r is equal to
Acceleration due to
gravitational
gravity
force g
ਜਿਹੜੀ
m
ਹੈਗੀ ਆ
small m
ਉਹਦੇ
r
ਵਿੱਚ
plus
g
x the square
gravitational
root.
constant ਹੈ,
So
m
cross
mass of
multiply
earth ਅਤੇ
with
r
here
radius
r
of
plus x
earth.
left hand side ਤੋਂ cancel ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਚਿਆ m v square
Gravitational
is
force
equal to
of
g
attraction
m
between the
small m
satellites
r
and
plus
Earth
x.
will provide the necessary centripetal force to the
So kinetic
satellite to
energy
move
of
around
satellite.
the Earth
Kinetic
in the
energy
circular orbit.
Q
So gravitational force
is
is
equal
the
to
product
half
of
mv
mass
square
of Earth
is
and
equal
mass of
to
satellite and
2
distance
is
square.
equal to g
So gm
m
small m
small
r
m
plus
upon
x
r
the whole
plus
square
x
is equal to
2.
centripetal force m v square
So
upon
total
r plus
energy
x.
of satellite
r is the radius
in its
and x
orbit
is the
is equal
distance
to total
of the
energy E
satellite from
use
the
the potential
surface of
energy
the
plus K
Earth.
is the kinetic energy.
So we can
adding
find
these
the
those
velocity
two
v
types energy
is equal to
potential
gm
energy plus
upon
kinetic
r
energy.
plus x
So
the
potential energy
under root.
minus g
We find that orbital
m
velocity
small
of
m
the satellite is
upon
independent of
r
the
plus
mass
x
of the
plus
satellite,
kinetic energy
but
g
depend upon the
capital
radius
M
of the
small
orbit.
m upon
Radius of the
2
orbit is
r
r
plus
plus x, where r is the radius of Earth and x is the distance
P is
and
equal to
mass of
minus
the planet
g
capital M,
capital M
about which it
the mass
revolves.
of earth
The
and mass of
acceleration due to
satellite
gravity
divided by
of the
2
surface of the
r
Earth
plus
is
x.
given by
The radius of earth
g
plus
is the
height of the
gravity is equal to
satellite.
gm upon r square.
So it follow
So
that the
cross
total energy
multiply
of the
gm
orbiting
is equal
satellite
to
is
g r
negative.
square. So
For
putting the
this
value of
reason,
g
the planets
in
and
equation
the orbit
of
satellites are
velocity.
said to form
So
of
v is equal
bounded
to
system.
g r
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ
square
ਸੈਟਲਾਈਟ
plus
ਹੈ
r
ਅਰਥ
plus
ਦੇ
x the
ਗ੍ਰੈਵਿਟੇਸ਼ਨਲ
under root.
ਫੋਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੈ ਇਸ
Acceleration
ਕਰਕੇ
due
ਉਹਨੂੰ
to
ਬਣ ਕੇ
gravity
ਰੱਖਦਾ that is the
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ
binding
ਆ
force.
ਉਹਦੇ
It is the
ਵਿੱਚ
binding
g
energy.
gravitational
ਮਤਲਬ
constant
ਸਿਸਟਮ
ਹੈ
ਵਿੱਚ
m
ਸੈਟਲਾਈਟ
mass
ਨੂੰ
of
ਕੀਤਾ ਆ
earth
ਬਾਉਂਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ
ਅਤੇ
ਔਰ ਇਸ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਨੂੰ
r
ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ
radius
ਬਾਉਂਡ
of
ਸਿਸਟਮ
earth.
ਔਰ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਾਈਂਡਿੰਗ એનર્ਜੀ ਆਫ ਆਰਬਿਟਿੰਗ
Gravitational
ਸੈਟਲਾਈਟ
force of attraction between the
ਜਿਹੜੀ
satellites
ਬਾਈਂਡਿੰਗ
and Earth
એનર્ਜੀ ਆਫ ਆਰਬਿਟਿੰਗ ਸੈਟਲਾਈਟ
will
ਉਹ ਕੀ
provide
ਆ
the necessary
it
centripetal
Follow
force
that
to the satellite to move
in
around
order
the
to
Earth
free the
in the
satellite
circular orbit. So
from the
gravitational force
Earth's
is the product of
gravitational
mass
field
of Earth and mass
and
of satellite and distance
energy
square.
equal to
So
minus g
Gm
has to be
small m
supplied to
r
it.
plus x the whole square is
Thus,
equal to
the
centripetal
binding
force
energy of
mv
satellite
square
is
upon
given by
r plus x.
binding
R
energy
is the
is equal
radius
to
and
minus
x
E
is the
is equal to
distance
minus
of the satellite from
in
the
active
surface
sign
of
g
the
m
Earth.
small m
So we can
divided
find
by
the velocity
2
v
times
is equal
r
to
plus
gm
x.
upon
So
r plus
negative,
x the
negative,
under root.
positive. So binding
We
energy
find
of
that
satellite
orbital velocity of the
in
satellite is
orbiting
independent of
is
the
equal
mass
to
of the satellite, but depend
gravitational
upon the radius
constant,
of the orbit. Radius of the orbit
mass
is
of
r
Earth
plus x, where
and
r
mass
is the
of
radius of
satellite
Earth and x
divided
is
by
the distance
2 times
and
radius
mass of the
Earth
planet
plus
capital
height of
M,
the
about which
satellite
it revolves.
above the
The
surface of the
acceleration due to
Earth.
gravity of the surface of the Earth is given by g is the gravity is equal to gm upon r square. So cross multiply gm
Let's
is
say
equal
now
to
you were
gr
able to
square.
tweak
So
this
putting
path
the
with
value
little
of
adjuster
gm
rockets.
in
You could nip
equation
and tuck that
of
ellipse to
velocity.
being a
So
nice,
v is equal to
perfect
gr square
circle.
plus r
That would
plus
then be called
x the
a satellite
under root.
in circular orbit.
Acceleration due to gravity
Let's
ਜਿਹੜੀ
say you
ਹੈਗੀ
were to
ਆ
fire off a
ਉਹਦੇ
whole
ਵਿੱਚ
set of
g
apples into space.
gravitational
The ones
constant
you
ਹੈ
throw
m
hard
mass
would
of
go far
earth
out into space
ਅਤੇ
and end
r
up orbiting
radius of
slowly.
earth.
The ones nearer would be going faster. If you get it just
Gravitational
right
force
and manage
of
to throw an
attraction
apple to
between the
around
satellite and Earth
36,000 kilometers above
will
the
provide
equator,
the
you
necessary
would find an
centripetal
orbit where your
force to
apple
the
is
satellite
going
to move
around at
around
exactly the
the
same
Earth
angular
in the
speed
circular
as the
orbit.
Earth is turning.
So gravitational force is the
This is
product of
known
mass
as a
of Earth and mass
geostationary
of satellite
orbit.
and distance square. So gm small m r plus x the whole
The
square is
satellite
equal
would
to
appear to
centripetal
stay
force
still
mv
to
square
someone
upon
watching
r
it
plus
from
x.
the Earth's surface.
R is the
This
radius
is very
and x
useful
is the
to scientists
distance
and technicians
of the
because they
satellite
always
from
know
the surface
exactly
of the
where it's going to
Earth.
be in the sky. We
So
use
we can
all these
find the
principles to
velocity
launch
v
satellites
is
into
equal to
geostationary
gm
orbits,
upon
where
r
they
plus
relay
x
signals
the
for
under
TV,
root.
internet, and
We
many
find
other
that
services.
orbital velocity of the satellite is independent of the mass
तो
of
उसका
the
जो ऑर्बिट
satellite,
होगा वो सर्कुलर
but
होगा।
depend upon the
जियो
radius
सिंक्रोनस
of the
सैटेलाइट का
orbit.
जो ऑर्बिट है वो सर्कुलर नहीं
Radius of
होगा,
the orbit is
पोलर का भी
r
सर्कुलर
plus
नहीं
x,
होगा।
where r
जियो
is the radius
स्टेशनरी
of
जो
Earth
सैटेलाइट
and
जो
x is
घूम
the
रहा है
distance
उसकी जो इंक्लिनेशन
and
होगी
mass
इक्वेटर
of
से
the
वो जीरो
planet
होगी।
capital M,
जियो सिंक्रोनस जो
about
सैटेलाइट
which
घूम रहा है
it revolves.
उसकी जो इंक्लिनेशन
The
है वो जीरो नहीं
acceleration
होगी
due
इक्वेटर
to
के साथ,
gravity of the
और पोलर की
surface
भी जो
of the
इंक्लिनेशन
Earth
है वो
is
इक्वेटर
given
के
by
साथ जीरो नहीं होगी,
G
ये 90 डिग्री पे
is
होगा।
the gravity
जियो
is equal
स्टेशनरी
to
सैटेलाइट की जो
gm
एंगुलर
upon
वेलोसिटी है
r
वो
square.
अर्थ की एंगुलर वेलोसिटी के
So
साथ
cross
इक्वल होगी।
multiply gm is equal to
जियो सिंक्रोनस
gr
की भी
square.
इक्वल होगी,
So
बट
putting the
पोलर की
value
इक्वल
of
नहीं होगी।
gm in
जो
equation
जियो स्टेशनरी
of
सैटेलाइट है
velocity,
उसकी जो
so v
रेवोल्यूशन का
is
पीरियड है
equal
वो
to
अर्थ की रोटेशन
gr
के पीरियड के
square
बराबर
plus
होगा।
r plus
जियो
x
सिंक्रोनस
the
सैटेलाइट का जो भी
under root.
रेवोल्यूशन पीरियड होगा वो
Acceleration
अर्थ
due
की
to
रोटेशन के साथ
gravity
भी इक्वल
ਜਿਹੜੀ
होगा,
ਹੈਗੀ ਆ
बट जो
ਉਹਦੇ
पोलर
ਵਿੱਚ
सैटेलाइट
g
होगा उसका
gravitational
रेवोल्यूशन का
constant है
पीरियड जो
m
है वो
mass
अर्थ
of
की रोटेशन के
earth
पीरियड के बराबर नहीं
ਅਤੇ
होगा,
r
इसलिए ये हमें
radius of
स्टेशनरी नहीं
earth.
दिखता है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट भी यही है, जो जियो स्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट है वो आपको स्टेशनरी दिखेगा।
Gravitational force
जियो
of
सिंक्रोनस जो
attraction
सैटेलाइट है वो
between the
पूरी तरह आपको
satellite
स्टेशनरी
and
नहीं
Earth
दिखेगा, थोड़ा सा ऑसिलेटिंग करते
will
दिखेगा,
provide the
और पोलर
necessary
सैटेलाइट तो आपको
centripetal
ऑसिलेटिंग करता ही
force to
दिखेगा।
the satellite
जियो
to move
स्टेशनरी
around
सैटेलाइट
the
की जो हाइट होती है
Earth
अर्थ
in
से
the circular
वो 20,000
orbit.
से 36,000
So
किलोमीटर तक हो
gravitational
सकती
force
है।
is the product
जियो
of
सिंक्रोनस की
mass
भी
of
20,000
Earth
से
and
36,000
mass of
किलोमीटर तक हो
satellite
सकती
and
है,
distance
बट जो पोलर
square.
सैटेलाइट है उसकी जो
So
हाइट अर्थ
gm
से 500 से
small
800
m
किलोमीटर तक
r
होगी।
plus x
अब हम
the
देख
whole
लेते हैं कि
square is
जियो
equal to
स्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट
centripetal
किस में
force
काम आते हैं।
mv square
देखिए,
upon
इसको
r
समझने के
plus
लिए हमें
x.
ये देखना होगा कि
r
जो
is the
कम्युनिकेशन
radius
होती
and
है ना
x is the
वो
distance
लाइन ऑफ साइट के
of the
प्रिंसिपल पे
satellite
डिपेंड
from
करती है
the
कि दोनों
surface
चीजें
of the
आपस में
Earth.
आमने सामने होनी चाहिए,
So
तभी
we
उसमें
can find the
कम्युनिकेशन हो
velocity
पाएगा।
v
तो लाइन
is
ऑफ
equal
साइट का
to
जो
gm
प्रिंसिपल है वो
upon
जियो
r
स्टेशनरी
plus
या
x
जियो
the
सिंक्रोनस
under
सैटेलाइट में ही
root.
पॉसिबल है। देखिए,
We
मान
find
लीजिए आपने
that
दिल्ली में कोई
orbital
कम्युनिकेशन
velocity of
डिवाइस
the
सेटअप करा है
satellite is
और आप किसी
independent of the
सैटेलाइट के
mass
साथ
of the
आप कम्युनिकेट
satellite,
करना चाहते हो,
but
तो
depend
अगर
upon the
आपका
radius
सैटेलाइट
of the
जियो
orbit.
स्टेशनरी या जियो सिंक्रोनस ऑर्बिट
Radius
में
of
है
the
तो वो
orbit is
एक
r
फिक्स
plus
लोकेशन पे
x,
होगा,
where
तो
r is
आपको
the
डायरेक्ट
radius of
जो है
Earth
लाइन
and
ऑफ साइट
x is the
मिलेगी,
distance
तो आपका कम्युनिकेशन
and
इंटरप्ट नहीं होगा।
mass of the
मान लो
planet
आपका
capital
जो
M,
कम्युनिकेशन सैटेलाइट है वो
about
पोलर
which
ऑर्बिट में,
it
तो वो
revolves.
बार बार अपनी
The
जो है पोजीशन चेंज
acceleration due
करता
to
रहेगा इन
gravity of the
रिस्पेक्ट टू जो
surface of
आपने
the
सेटअप
Earth is
दिल्ली में
given
लगाया
by
है, तो आपको बार बार
g
एंटीना चेंज करने
is
की
the
जरूरत
gravity
पड़ेगी,
is
बार बार
equal
उसकी
to
डायरेक्शन चेंज करने की
Gm
जरूरत
upon r
पड़ेगी।
square.
तो इसी चीज़ों से
So
बचने के
cross
लिए जो
multiply
कम्युनिकेशन सैटेलाइट
Gm
होते
is
हैं वो
equal
जियो
to
स्टेशनरी
Gr
ऑर्बिट में
square.
डाले जाते
So
हैं।
putting the
तो देखिए
value of
जियो स्टेशनरी का
Gm
फायदा क्या है,
in
टेलीकम्युनिकेशन,
equation
नेविगेशन और वेदर
of
फोरकास्ट।
velocity.
जियो
So V
सिंक्रोनस का
is
वही है,
equal to
पोलर
Gr
सैटेलाइट का यूज
square
होता है अर्थ
plus
मैपिंग के
r
लिए या
plus
अर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन के
extra
लिए।
under
आपको
root.
3 जियो स्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट
Acceleration
चाहिए
due to
पूरी की पूरी
gravity
अर्थ को कवर करने के
ਜਿਹੜੀ
लिए।
ਹੈਗੀ ਆ
अगर आप
ਉਹਦੇ
जियो
ਵਿੱਚ
सिंक्रोनस
G
सैटेलाइट की बात करते हो तो
gravitational
आपको 3 से
constant
ज़्यादा
ਹੈ,
चाहिए।
m mass of earth ਅਤੇ r radius of earth। Gravitational force of attraction between the satellites and Earth will provide the necessary centripetal force to the satellite to move around the Earth in the circular orbit. So gravitational force is the product of mass of Earth and mass of satellite and distance square. So gm small m r plus x the whole square is equal to centripetal force mv square upon r plus x. R is the radius and x